Hi, I'm Lolita. Welcome to Cooking and Entertaining with Lolita. There have been many requests to show you how to make buttermilk. So I will show you today. It's a very simple recipe. All you need is a cup of milk, a tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice. It's easier to use vinegar, but today I'm going to use lemon juice. First, cut and squeeze out lemon juice. Half a lemon will do. Here's the lemon juice, and let's measure a tablespoon. Make sure you have a measuring cup. The next step is to add enough milk, up to the 1 cup mark. Make sure that you can see the 1 cup mark. The final step is to stir for 5 minutes. You can keep this in the fridge up to 1 week. If you freeze it, put in an airtight container. You can freeze it up to 3 months. As you stir it, buttermilk will curdle a little bit. It's that simple. Now you have buttermilk for all different recipes.